The final whole class reading strategy I want to discuss with you is a choral read. In a choral read, the entire class is reading a short selection aloud together. Set the reading rate at a moderate level so that all students can participate. Make sure students keep pace with you as you read. If this doesn't happen, pause the class, say, "I'm sorry, not everyone is reading with me. Let's read that selection again together." If you notice that a student is not participating, pause again and say, "I'm sorry, not everyone is reading with me," and start that section again. Read the passage as many times as necessary. Students not participating during the first read simply might not know how to pronounce the words. Hearing the words out loud is a good way to model for them. During a choral read, walk around the classroom. Lean in and listen to individual students as they read. If you do hear an error, just simply pause the class for a moment, implement a correction, and then continue with the choral read.